Nakita ko may Kinder Egg pa ako.
I knew it was you.
Balik ang mga
Shot right there.
1-5 versus
Open nito guys. Inopen ko na kasi yan. So,
After me. What do I do?
I chocolate station right.
Got it. I'll dress up like Dory. Everyone, I saw it. I'll run that way. Let's go. No one can see through my disguise. Dorothy, where's Intel? Over there. Huh? Why are there two Dobys? He's the face. I'm the real Dobby. I am.
Sabi nga ako. Alright.
They look exactly the same. Which one is the real Dobby?
Yes ka ba? Nice.
I trained hard to copy Dobby.
Nalalag, nagrara.
Oh, that hurts.
Nasa baba mo.
sila nagdala na
Pag ano ba yan? High
Say
school?
our favorite water city food at the same time.
Ito kasi may 50 pesos, 70 pesos sa araw-araw. Sila wala.
Sa akin yan.
Sige, 100. Pero pa kung yung kami.
And then, nakadikit
Bumipagod talaga ako. Ang gamit lang yun.
Dahil benta mo yung ano mo, cellphone.
Next star na la. Takbos ko. Papa, next star na la.
My disguise
So, talking nga rin. Ang takbong palit na talaga to 14.
safety talk. Kids,
Tingnan mo, ganda ng
if a stranger knocks on the door, don't open it. Bad people can be sneaky. They might pretend to be someone else to make you open the door. Go get a grown-up to answer it. Please remember that.